Welcome back to the band gym, everybody. More importantly, welcome to all my moms out there. I want to thank you for joining me today in the band gym. I have a very special treat for you today. Matter of fact, it's going to be all week long. I'm going to show you my 12 best exercises for moms. Now, how do I know these are my 12 best exercises? Because they've been proven and tested out on thousands of moms over the years. Here's what you're going to need for these exercises this week. First and foremost, you're going to need some type of 13-inch band. I have my hip bands here. I find they're the most comfortable for moms, and I would recommend them. However, if you have the dynamic stabilizer bands, you're welcome to go ahead and use those. Next, you're going to need several levels of 41-inch bands. I would start with the lowest resistance, which is our orange, and go up to at least the black level medium band, maybe the purple band as well. You're going to find that we're going to utilize all of these over the next few days as we go ahead and incorporate these 12 best exercises for you. Now, the last thing is to go ahead, you're going to need an attachment point. I will show you how to do the exercises using attachment-free setups. So if you don't have an attachment point, but you already have your bands, no problem. You can go ahead and do attachment-free. However, I find that attached band exercises are easier for moms to go ahead and learn. Therefore, you're either going to need a band utility strap that you can hook into the hinge side of your door, or you're going to need something else you can attach your bands onto. So that's going to be key. Now the last thing is optional, and that is training handles. Training handles will be great if you have them. If you do not, you can go ahead and do the exercises without, but then I would highly recommend that you get some training gloves. And if you have them already, you're good to go. But training handles are going to allow you to grasp more aggressively, which is in turn going to allow you to recruit the muscles more effectively, and in turn, you're going to have a more successful workout. So there you go, guys. Those are the 12, or the things that you're going to need to do these 12 band exercises specifically designed for moms to go ahead and learn first and foremost. Why are these exercises the best ones for moms? Well, number one, they target key areas that I know you as a mom want to go ahead and target. Secondly, they're going to go ahead and be easy to learn. So you can go ahead and quickly learn them and introduce them and get started with them right away. And that's the last thing. You can do them anytime, anywhere, especially if you have an attachment point. But if you don't, like I said, you can use an attachment-free exercise version that I will show you. Guys, I got you set up. Moms, I got you ready to go. So let's go ahead and let's introduce you to these 12 exercises. I'm going to introduce them to you in 3 sessions. Each session will take you through 3 to 4 exercises, which will go ahead and in turn provide you a small exercise circuit that you can go through. So not only are you going to learn 12 exercises, but now you're going to also learn 3 workouts that you can go ahead and do throughout the week. It's pretty cool stuff. I'm excited to go ahead and bring this to you right now. I hope you're ready to go ahead and join me in the band gym with these 12 exercises and 3 exercise circuits that I'm going to put together for you. Let's go ahead and let's get started right now.